Hello, sir. This is the title of our assignment, which is the creativity desk, and the title of our project is smart parking. This is our group members: Ahmad Mohammed, Zafizwan, Muhammad Hazwan, Nau Suhaila, and Washika Idra. The introduction is smart parking system has revolutionized the way parking spaces are managed and utilized. Traditional parking management measure often lead of inefficiencies, congestion, and frustration for drivers. Smart parking system leverages advanced technologies, data communication, and real-time information to optimize parking space availability, improve the overall user experience, and contribute to more sustainable urban environment. For benefits, real-time information, improve efficiency, enhance user experience, sustainability in integration, and scalability.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Nur Suhaila binti Mohammed Sulaiman. My matrix number is B0822100180. So now I'm going to present about problem statement. So our first problem statement is connectivity issues. Connectivity issues can arise such as misconfigured IP addresses, incorrect subnet mask, and improper routing configuration. The problem statement could focus on troubleshooting and resolving connectivity issues within the network topology. Next is protocol configuration problems. Problems occur when configuring protocols such as OSPF, EIGRP, VLANs, and DHCP. The problem statement involves configuring and troubleshooting these protocols to ensure proper communication and functionality. Device configuration error, we have Cisco packet tracer simulate various network devices, including routers, switches, and firewalls. Configuration error in these devices lead to issues such as incorrect routing tables, access control problems, and improper VLAN configurations. The problem statement is involved in configuring and rectifying these device-specific configuration errors to establish desired network. The other problem statement is simulation performance challenges. Running complex network topologies or incorporating resource-intensive features can sometimes result in performance challenges. The problem statement focuses on optimizing the simulation performance, such as reducing CPU or memory usage, enhancing simulation speed, or troubleshooting issues related to slow response times. Then we have VLAN configuration and inter-VLAN routing. Designing and configuring VLANs, virtual local area networks within Cisco Packet Tracer, is challenging, especially when it comes to configuring inter-VLAN routing. The problem statement involves setting up VLANs, assigning ports to specific VLANs, and configuring the routing between VLANs to enable communication between them. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Zafizwan bin Muhammad Nizam. Number metric B0822100462. So today I want to explain about creativity dice. A problem solving technique, creativity dice are a tool that helps generate fresh ideas and stimulate creative thinking. They are physical dice with different words or prompts written on each side. The randomness of the dice encourages you to think outside the box and consider possibilities that you might not have considered otherwise. Creativity dice are simple and enjoyable tools that can be used in individual or group settings to spark creativity, generate diverse ideas, and overcome mental blocks in the problem-solving process.
In this part, we will see how to solve problem with creativity dice. Firstly, we need to define the problem. Clearly identify the problem or challenge you are facing. Understand the goal you want to achieve or the obstacle you need to overcome. Then we need to gather a set of creativity dice. Acquire or create a set of creativity dice. This can be physical dice with words or prompts written on them, or virtual dice available through apps or online tools. Then we need to roll the dice. Roll the creativity dice and see which word or prompt appears facing up. Each dice face represents a different concept or approach. Then we need to interpret the result. Analyze the word or prompt that has landed facing up. Consider its meaning and how it relates to your problem. Think about how you can apply or interpret it in the context of your specific challenge. After that, we have to generate ideas. Use the role word or prompt as a starting point for generating ideas. Let your mind wander and explore different possibilities based on the concept provided by the dice. Consider how the concept can be applied to your problem, what new perspective it offers, and how it can spark creativity. Then we have to combine, modify, or adapt ideas. Take the ideas that you have generated and consider combining them, modifying them, or adapting them based on the initial word or prompt from the dice. Use the concept as a guide to develop unique and innovative solutions. Other ways we can do is to evaluate and refine. Review the ideas you have generated and evaluate their feasibility, effectiveness, and alignment with your problem or goal. Refine and iterate on the most promising ideas, discarding or modifying others as needed. Lastly, we need to take action. Once you have identified a solution or set of solutions that you find compelling, develop an action plan and begin implementing them. Follow through on your ideas and monitor their impact. So, in this part, I will explain how to solve the problem in smart parking system by using creativity dice. Firstly, we need to identify the problem. Clearly define the problem you are facing in the smart parking system. Determine the specific issues such as sensor malfunction, connectivity problems, software glitches, or user interface errors. Then, we need to analyze the issue. Analyze the information gathered to identify potential causes of the problem. Look for patterns, commonalities, or non-issues related to the specific problem. Understand the components involved in the smart parking system, such as sensors, communication networks, central control system, and user interface. Then we need to troubleshoot the problem step by step. Start troubleshooting the problem systematically by breaking it down into smaller components or subsystems. Test each component separately to identify the source of the problem. Verify the functionality and configurations of sensors, communication networks, software modules, and user interface. Lastly, we need to validate the data communication. Verify the communication between sensors, control system, and user interfaces. Check if the data is being transmitted accurately and in real time. Examine the network infrastructure, including routers, switches, access points, and protocols to identify any communication errors or bottlenecks.
The conclusion, automation is a positive step towards the transportation sector's future success. This design successfully resolved the mentioned risk-create problem. The intelligent parking system that was developed, produced, and tested produced precise result when the threshold distance was calibrated and the obstruction was identified. LED instantly switched on and off depending on whether a car was parked there or not. The design is flexible and may be altered to fit the space at hand. It can even be fitted in restricted space depending on how many yellow LEDs are found. A common information board showing the number of parking spaces available is displayed. It is feasible to build an autonomous smart automobile parking system that will cut down on pointless driving, fuel consumption, and parking time by properly connecting a few basic electrical components. That's